Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can test our email functionality in our Laravel project with MailTrap.io. So here I am going to do this in our local environment. So this is the Medium article I have written. So I'm going to show you the clear steps one by one. So first you have to create a MailTrap account. So here the link for that. So if you go to that link, uh, you can see I have already logged into the MailTrap. So I log out. I'll show you all these steps, and then you can see here you can sign up using your Google account, your GitHub account, or your Office 365 account, or you can sign up with your email address also. So I already sign up, and I'm going to log in up to the system uh, using my Google account. So hereafter I go to the system. You can see uh, my inboxes, so you can also create uh, your inbox as well. So I create my inbox, and there you can see, if you go into that, the received emails from at left hand side, and the configurations what you have to do in future. So here MailTrap is supporting to the few these frameworks and languages. Here we want Laravel, and this is the configurations we have to update in our Laravel projects. So then I am showing the whole steps from the scratch. So first you have to create a new Laravel project. So I created a new Laravel project called test email, and then I created a new controller using this command. So here you can see my user controller uh, here, and there I implemented a one function that's called index. So inside that function I'm going to execute our uh, sending mail function, and also then I so here, or in my Medium article, all the codes included, you can copy down from it. And then I created a new API route. So here if I go to the routes, there have a file called api.php. There I created a new route, user dash mail dash send, and also I routed it to the index function of the user controller. Here I imported the user controller file. So then after that we need to implement the usermail.php file to give the service to the mail sending functionality. So inside user controller I called so mail to, this is my receiver's email, and send new user mail here, user mail.php file. I created that file inside the folder called mail. So inside this app folder parallelly to the HTTP folder, and in this user mail folder they have a construct that initiate the logo image. uh, then in build method it called, so here you can see new user mail. So uh, so here you can see this functionality called build from. So your email account, your email address here, uh, and then the subject is here, and you have to attach the view with the relevant parameters, the name, receiver's name, and the logo. So I created a view also. uh, so in resources we can see view, uh, and emails folder. Under emails folder you can see user email.blade.php. Here I included uh, the view of our email, so that's need to so email will appear in that manner. So according to this view folder, so hi, and the receiver name is here. Receiver name is come from the parameters, it's Kasun, and the logo also will load here in this div section. And thank you for your registered your business with Geno Techies. Also you can add this. So likewise you can create your uh, view of your email. Yeah, so then I added image logo.png image here under public folder, and the image img folder logo.png that will load into this email when you send it. Okay, so the next step is uh, update .dev file. So that's very important. So we are going to attach the configurations. So here in .nv file, uh, .nv file, you can see uh, so these configurations we need to copy and paste here. So these are come from here, which we created a MailTrap account, and there you can see my inbox settings, SMTP settings under Laravel 7 plus integration details. You can copy it and paste it in .nv file. Yeah, then uh, you have to do is, this is very important. So this is the last step. You have to uh, copy this code snipped and paste it in the mail.php file, which have in under the config folder of your Laravel project. So there you can see mail.php, this is that one. Okay, so there I copy and pasted this code. Otherwise you will get this error because they didn't allow to connect it with the internet, and there you will get this error. So after you add that code, this code is snipped, you cannot see that error. Okay, so that's the completed, that's the last step of this process, and you can test the results after you run your project. So you can see the results by this API call, and when you send it you can see uh, the results will appear here. Oh yeah, that's call complete, that's successful, and you can see in your mailbox you received a test email. So that's the view of that email is like this. Yeah, thank you very much. So that's the process of this testing email and in your local environment using MailTrap in your Laravel project. Thank you.